Understanding Sensor Deployment, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, sensor deployment. This might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Remember, understanding such phrases can enhance your English vocabulary and help you in various contexts, especially in technology and science discussions. First, let's dissect the phrase. Sensor refers to a device that detects or measures physical properties. Think of it like a nose that smells or an ear that hears, but for machines. Deployment is the action of spreading something out or arranging it for a particular purpose. Imagine soldiers being sent to their positions, or chess pieces placed on a board. So, sensor deployment is putting sensors into operation in various locations or settings. Let's see how sensor deployment is used in real-life scenarios. Imagine a smart home where sensors are deployed to control lights and temperature, or in agriculture, where sensors monitor soil moisture to aid farming. In these examples, sensors are strategically placed and activated to gather information or perform tasks. This helps us understand that sensor deployment often involves planning, strategy, and purpose. Understanding sensor deployment is particularly useful in technology and science fields. If you're interested in robotics, environmental science, or even smart city planning, knowing about sensor deployment can be incredibly beneficial. It highlights the practical use of technology in real-world situations. And that's a wrap on sensor deployment. I hope this video has helped clarify this interesting phrase and added a new term to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but also about understanding the context in which they're used. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.